Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to leave a note on Instagram using your mobile devices. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So now let's get started. So first you want to launch your Instagram app and log in your account. And now just go ahead and swipe your finger from right to left so that you can go to the messages area. But if your Instagram doesn't have that feature, just go ahead and click on the message button at the upper right corner of your screen. So now here, as you can see at the upper part of my screen, you can see the plus sign at the upper right side of my profile picture. So just go ahead and click on that, and here you can just go ahead and type any note that you want. And here you can also choose, you can see this, you can choose your close friends or your followers. So after you've done that, just go ahead and click on share here at the upper part of your screen. And by the way, there is a 60 letters limit on the note, okay? So as you can see here at the upper part of my profile, you can see the note that I write earlier. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.